In this session, let us understand how to find out the present value of annuity. We know what is present value, we have seen the concepts behind that, but like your future value, in present value also you have two different approaches which I have not explained earlier. Let me introduce that. Your present value would depend upon your nature of cash flows. It can be a single cash flow or it can be uniform cash flow over a period. If it is uniform cash flow, we can call it as annuity. How to understand that? Let's say I'm going to receive 1000 after 2 years. Now this is a scenario where we are dealing with present value of single cash flow. But if I say I'm going to receive 1000 every year for a period of 2 years, then it is a scenario of annuity because you have uniform cash flow for some uniform intervals. That is, every year I'm going to receive 1000 rupees. Okay, so in those cases, how would you find out the present value? That's where we have the concept of present value of annuity, and we have a formula for that. I'll give you the formula. Let's see. The formula is present value of annuity is nothing but annuity multiplied by, it's a little elaborate one, just listen. It is 1 plus I raised to the power n minus 1 whole divided by I multiplied by 1 plus I to the power n. Now this is the formula which we'll be adopting when we want to find out the present value of annuity. Now we know annuity is nothing but uniform amount which are received at uniform intervals. What about I? I represents interest rate. What is N? N is equal to number of period. So if you can feed these data, that is I, N and annuity, you will be able to find out what is the present value of annuity. To understand this, let's take some examples, case studies in the subsequent sessions.